So what is going on, guys? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Let me know in the chat if you can hear me. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Drop some fires on the chat if you're about to get some money today. Drop the fire on the chat if you're about to get some money today. Drop the fire on the chat if you're about to get some money today. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. Drop the fire. Drop the fire. Drop the fire. Let's go. Let's go. Today's fun be great. Let's get it. 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 Drop the fire. Drop the fire. Drop the fire. Let's go. I'm not seeing the fire. I'm not seeing enough fire. Let's go. Let's go. Rain it down. Rain it down. Rain it down. Burn YouTube down. If you are a trader, Blue Guardian is the next biggest opportunity for you. Let's go. I see it. I see it. I see the fire. I see the fire. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Drop the fire. Drop the fire. Let's go. Let's go. Rain it down. Rain it down. Rain it down. Rain it down. Now, as it stands, of course, the internet wants to make itself annoyed, not me, because I don't understand. Actually, the streaming platform I'm using is actually what was causing the problem. My internet connection for sure is active. Like, it's very, very much active. There is enough data in there. And of course, I know what streaming is. And I can tell you for sure, it clears, it doesn't eat data. It clears data. Like, but then there is enough. It is just the platform that was having issue. And all I had to do was to now fix up some stuff and clear it out. Well, that's by the way. That is why we are kings. We don't let things like this get to us. Let's go. If you're ready for the day, drop some W's. If you're ready for the day, drop some W's. If you're ready for the day, drop some W's. Let me be. And no moving around. I see the W's. Let's go. Let's go. Vamos. I was just thinking what it's gonna be like if I don't stream today. Like, I'm feeling complete. I'll feel incomplete, bro. Now, it's not just all about today. I was not thinking, is this what's going to happen on Monday, Tuesday? In fact, is this what's going to happen on Sunday throughout next week? Nah, bro. I had to fix it. Now, there is something I got my eyes on, and that is, what pair should we look out for before I even talk about the one that I have my eyes on? What pair should we look out for? What pair should we look out for? Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Before we talk about that pair, tell me, I want to see. Let me ask you guys a question. Let me ask you guys some question. Before we talk about that pair you want me to talk about, let me ask you guys some question. let me. I see USD JPY, USD JPY, S&P 500. I don't trade that. I don't trade this. AED card. AED card. Okay, cool. I'll be looking into that. GBP USD, not a problem. Now, if you saw what GBP did yesterday, GBP USD did yesterday, and you confirm that yesterday PEX is king, drop PEX is king in the chart. If you confirm PEX is king yesterday, drop PEX is king in the chart. If you confirm PEX is king yesterday, drop PEX is king in the chart. I don't want to play. You guys know what I'm talking about. You guys know what I'm talking about. If you confirm yesterday PEX is king, drop it in the chart. If you confirm it, if you know that, this guy good, drop it in the chart. I see it. 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 Don't play with the king. There is a reason why there is a crown. There is a reason. If you confirm it yesterday, if you know that, this guy good, confirm. Drop the PEX is king in the chart. Don't play. Don't play. There is a reason. There is a reason. Don't play. W's. W's. W's in the fucking shots. W's in the fucking shot, bro. Even me yesterday, I confirm him. Say, what is in my head? Choke. Even me shock. But then, I anticipated it. Even me, I shock. You know what I mean by even me self shock? I shock. Straight up. And that is the same buy we are here to still collect more money from. W's, drop some W's in the chat. The W's is not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough. Drop the W's in the chat. It's not enough, guys. It's not enough. It's not enough because you don't know the level of knowledge it takes to sit down on this chat in front of 30 people. In fact, more than that, because at the end of this stream, I used to get over 100 people that join this live. In front of over 100 people, giving you guys, yo, it is going to buy. Put your money on it. Do you know what it means? Do it. Put your money on this one. It will go. Don't play. And it will go. PEX strategy to the moon, bro. PEX strategy to the world, bro. Don't play. Don't fucking play with me. Man, even me self, I shock, bro. But the pie, I mean, how did they put that in? The pie was in the pudding. I mean, how did they say it? It was clear, bro. It was literally clear. You just have to risk it. That's just it. You just have to risk it for the next one. I was like, it's not bad, but then that is uncertainty right there. But I'm not going to blame you because it is not you that is saying the buys. You're not the one saying the buy. It is a king saying the buy. So it's not a problem. If you're not going to trade, it's not a problem, innit? But I've put in the work. I don't sleep, bro. I put in the work. You see this, my iPad, yeah? You see how it looks? You see the way this iPad looks? You see how this iPad looks? This is what I used to put in the work. I use this shit to put in the work before I come on this setup. Before I come on this setup, I use this guy to put in the work. Once you just see me holding this pair, look at the time I'm getting a lot. Once you just see me holding this pen like this, just know it's finishing. I'm putting in the work. That's just it. That's just it. So if I tell you buy, but don't pour your money inside because even me, I'm not moving this market. Buy. If I tell you buy. If I tell you say, you can. Let me not talk too much. The movement shocked me. 2 hours TP. 90 pips straight. He bought, cleared that zone. He even cleared the zone guy. He cleared the zone guy. Don't fuck. Put some respect on my fucking name, bro. Put some respect on my name, nigga. There's a reason why I bought this iPad. It's to put in the work. If you want to see PEG strategy in action, go and watch these live streams. I can tell you. If you're doubting me, if you're doubting PEX, this your strategy, PEG strategy. Watch this live stream, say. Nobody will tell you. And I'm not the kind of I will talk, I will place the trade, baba. I will place it, say. Only God know how much I made yesterday, say. Only yesterday, bro. I can like sponsor 30 people here on stream, bro. 100K account each. What the fuck? 100K account each. 30 people, 100K account each. Don't play with me. Put some respect on my name, bro. W's. Play with me first. Analysis no reach 5 minutes. I'm just extending the analysis because of you guys. I swear to God. I'm just extending the analysis. Me, I'm doing analysis for 1 hour. 5 minutes, bro. 5 minutes. Once I just stay like 5 minutes, I do my analysis. No time to waste. 5 minutes and I'm done. Patience is the next thing. I'll wait. That's just it. But because I want to explain it, I'll do talk. It look like I don't know what I'm doing. 5 minutes. Simple as that. Before I came on stream, I already know what I wanted to say. It's that simple. It's that simple, guy. If you want to see the PEG strategy in action, I swear down, watch this whole live stream. We've been doing this live stream like 3 times, 3 sections now. The 15-day live stream, the second one that is red, and this one that is yellow. Watch it. Your brain will open. Your brain will open, like I'm telling you for free. Your brain will open. Your brain will open. I need to buy this iPad cover. I need to buy this iPad cover back. I need to get this iPad cover. First, let me throw it. Who can get this iPad cover for PEX? Let's get it. I need to get this iPad cover. This is an iPad. What's the name of this iPad? iPad Pro 2020. 12.9 inches. Yeah. The iPad no cost. My boys they choke now. On a guide now. Abi. On a guide. So who's getting this iPad cover for me, bro? I need this cover. The iPad is still good though. Forget this cover, bro. Forget this cover, bro. This iPad is 1 meter. 1 meter. I shall seen it like this. Meter. I shall seen it like this. It's very clean. Nothing do. It's just there. Because I don't used to use it so much, only for analysis. I'm not the COD type that will be playing Call of Duty on the iPad. No. I don't play games. The only game you see me play is football game, and that is because I want to go and play ball the next day. If you see me on the road, I say, who buy my iPad cover? Who buy the cover? It's just 20K, bro. It's just 20K. 20K is how many dollars? It's like $10. Okay, no, like $15. Let's just say $15, Sha. The thing that be making me being lazy about it is just time to go and look for it. It's just time. But look at how clean it is now. Don't play. It's just time. It's just time. But I'll speak to my guy. He will get it for me. He'll get it for me. Okay, if you're ready for the day, let's go. I'm seeing people. You. I'll be back when you start analysis. It's like you will not be back again, oh, because I'll block you ASAP. You don't need to be back. Don't worry. Send account. You really mean it? I don't need people like this in my stream. ASAP, there's no need for you to come back. Just continue and be going like that. I see send account. You guys, you mean it? I will send though. I will send though. Hey, crypto wallet BTC. I will send though. I will send. Me, I will send 20K ASAP. I'll send it to my guy. We buy this thing and send it to me. Ah, they want to buy iPad cover for me, Sha. Let me call this guy. Let me see if we can get it for me. My people on YouTube wants to sponsor my cover, bro. They want to sponsor my cover, bro. W sponsor in the chat. W sponsor in the chat. W sponsor in the chat. Let me see if I can get it first. Active. Naira. Active. Everybody the verse so active. Let me confirm if I can get it. W's. If you need it, send me a message on Instagram. Then send me a message on Instagram. Let me get your Instagram this thing. Panic not. Don't panic. It's just time. As long as you have a good system, it's just time. Before I continue this thing, my sponsors. Number one, I can see number one sponsor, Chima Jili. Sorry if I didn't pronounce it well. Okay, still Chima Jili here. I still see another one, Joseph, the sponsor two. Who else? I think I see only two. And Emmanuel, three sponsor. 60K today. No time. Buy the cover ASAP. No time. 60K is dropping today. I've already called the guy. The guy is going to pick my call later. Probably is not active now. But he deals in all these stuffs. Charles, let's go. Charles, I don't know why you're not picking my call, bro. But let's get it. So, it is very good to like track your trades because this is where you're going to like know where you're doing it wrong and where you're doing it right. Yesterday, I was really mind blown. I was really mind blown, like literally. I ain't gonna lie. I look at the market, I was like, bro, this analysis personally didn't take me up to 5 minutes. I swear down, it didn't take me up to 5 minutes. But when I did the analysis, I was like, the hell? I never expected this market to buy this massive. But the entry, like, come on, the entry. It can only be God. That's all I keep saying. Because you can do analysis from now till next year and still lose. Blatantly lose. Like, you can still lose back to back. You can still lose. It can only be God, bro. Now, what I'm going to do is we are going to be putting our eyes down for a buy. We're looking out for a buy on GBPUSD. We're looking out for a buy on GBPUSD, right? That buy is going to be coming, but then don't rush. Don't pour your money inside there. Don't pour your money inside there. There's a reason why I'm saying so, because today is Friday, right? Today is Friday. And if you're patiently waiting, there's a reason why. So I'll just need you to like be patient enough, because I'm going to give you guys a proper entry. If you've not entered, just be patient. If you've not entered, I'm telling you, just be patient. Just be patient. There's a reason why. There's a reason why I'm saying just be patient. So we're going to be getting a new cover for this. Probably on my next live stream, we should have a new cover for this. I hope they have it actually. Now, why did I say you should not don't panic? Why did I say don't panic? Right? Now, why I said you shouldn't panic is I'm looking out for this. GBP can give us a good bread today if all things being equal. GBP can give us good bread today, like literally. But then you just need to be patient, guys. You just need to be patient. Now, this is GBP right? If you can see my screen, drop ones in the chat. If you can see my screen, drop ones in the chat. All right, cool. So now what are we expecting on this chart? One thing you should notice is this market is uptrending, but the fact that it is uptrending doesn't mean that you should just dive in anyhow. Let me still share this live. Doesn't mean you should just dive in anyhow, right? Let me send this link on Instagram because it's a new link. Okay. Now, why did I say don't panic on this one? Because of one reason. This market is uptrending, right? There are two ways we can enter this market. There are two ways we can enter this market. There are two ways we can enter this market, right? Now, the first way is, in fact, let me explain it properly. Let me explain it properly. Let's not be fixed on making money. All right. Let's not be fixed on making money. Let's be fixed on following the process. We're not here to make money. We're here to follow our system. We're here to follow our system. All right. So let us see. Right now, this market here, heading on to the 4-hour time frame, we can see one thing. We can see one thing, right? Our buys were like, it has been like our trade has been so spot on lately that even I myself am blown away. That is what God can literally do if you decide to be disciplined. God said, I will bless the work of your hands, right? But then, if you don't have the work of your hand, you're most likely not going to get blessed. Not because God don't want to bless you, but how would he bless when there is no channel to receive the blessing? Let me bring this to trading. You are deciding to pass a prop firm challenge, but then you've not decided yet to have the work of your hand. Do you understand? You've not decided to have the works of your hand. Yes, trading is the work of your hand, but how to actually make trading work is where your system comes in. Is where your system comes in. So, what are we going to do in this situation? You need to literally have a system that will keep you in check. You need to have a system that will keep you in check. And if you have a system that's going to keep you in check, there's a huge chance that that is the system God is going to use to bless your own trading. That's the system God is going to use to bless your own trading. Do you get me? That's the system God is going to use to bless your own trading. So, in this case, you need to understand that every system you follow is a roadmap to everlasting riches. As long as the forex market is not closing, bro, you're going to make serious bloody hell money. That's why I'm not even panicking right now. I know time is going. We're in our 20s. We need to make money and all those things and all those things. Yeah, relax. Like, today is Friday. Relax. Learn. I believe that this market is not running anywhere because it has been here more than 40, 50 years. People from the old 19 this, 19 that, 18 something, they trade it. It's just a different style. But they're trading the same market. If you go to gold, you see the time gold started printing out candles. If you go to GBP you see the time it started printing out candles. Been a long time. I don't think we were born then, but now we're cooking the market. We're making good money. We think time is running out. Don't rush. This is what I'm trying to make you understand. My stream every single day is to make you get aware of your own personal being. You control this market, not the market doing otherwise. Do you know? You are the one controlling this market. Now, in this case, you controlling this market is not personal. At the end of the day, if you think about it truly, you know that this market buying is majority of the people coming together to agree that it is going to buy. That is why it's buying. This market selling is the market majority of the traders agreeing that it is going to sell. It is selling. True or false? Let me know in the chat. Do you think what I just said makes sense? True or false? This market is being moved by humans, but humans in the terms of decisions. Decisions. You decide to buy, 100,000 people decides to buy. What does it mean? It means that the amount of people that decide to buy on a particular zone puts the most money, and that is why you see it buys more. That's why you hear majority carries the vote. So you want to find yourself being in the right track where the majority are. That is why a system comes in. And if you have that system, you get adapted to the system. That is where God is going to bless your works. So at the same time, being surprised, I am still not surprised because God knows how to bless when you have. So put God in your trading, fam. Literally put him in your trading. I'm going to tell you this thing. Regardless, God put him in your trading. No matter the kind of God you feel you are serving, put that heavenly being, put that supernatural being into your trading. He is going to take charge of it because at the end of the day, trust me, we know nothing. We are just directed by the Spirit. That's just it. Some are going to tell me it's going to sell. No problem. But because I have a system, I believe it's going to buy. It's just belief. It's all about belief. There was a time in my life I believed that anybody trading on the 15 minutes time frame is trading rubbish. Trust me, I'm the one now trading on the 15 minutes time frame. And then I believe it can work. Do you see how belief works? Do you see how belief works? It is what you believe that will work for you. Then when I started, like let's say 2022, 2023, majorly, I was believing anybody below the 1 hour time frame, you're finding it difficult. But then we learn every day. That is why you put yourself in the same realm of learning every day. We learn every day. Now I've learned why the 15 minutes is important, and that's why you see I'll go to the 15. Crazy enough, I use it to enter trades. I use it to do confluences. I use it to play around. So, what am I trying to make you understand? Time frames make traders. You decide the time frame that works for you and you work on it. As long as it is listen, the key word here is repeated because that is the consistency. As long as it is a repeated thing, you have a system. As long as that system repeatedly makes you money, that is a good system. As long as you're disciplined to that system, now that is a profitable system. That is where you tend to go. You move. The moment you start to move in that realm, bro, you're making a lot of money. So give it time. Give it 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. If you learn this craft, one single year can be the time everything changes. You never can tell. You never can tell. You never can tell. So just put your mind down and learn the craft first. Don't rush. I keep telling you, don't rush. I'm intentionally not doing analysis because I want you to get used to don't not rushing. Oh, the market is buying. Enter, enter, enter. Where are you entering to? Like where it is not clear you want to enter. Why are you entering? Like what is making you enter? Why? You need to understand being free emotionally is the key to profitability. Quote me anywhere. Being free emotionally, you are seeing the chart dropping, but you know send. That's where you are ready for money. You are ready for money because the moment you start giving a damn, like the moment you start caring, your weak point has been found. The moment you start caring, your weak point has been found. That is the point. Anybody that you know you have a good strategy, you're listening to me right now, and you know that like you want to make it out. The question is, why are you not making it out? You know you have a good strategy. That's the funny truth. But then you're not making money. There is a reason behind not making money. There is a reason behind not making money. There is a reason behind it. Let me be more brutal. You emotionally give a fuck. That's just it. Like you care too much. That's why you see, most especially they'll be giving you this quote. You can never break a trader's heart. Not because traders are immune to breaking of hearts, but the truth here is we don't give a damn. If you tell me now today, okay, I'm done with this, that, oh, okay, I will just take it like a trade. I missed the entry. Does that mean I'll stop trading? No. I missed the entry. Does that mean I'll stop trading? No. I collect stop loss. Does that mean I'll stop trading? No. Do you get the point? Like, are you understanding? The girl says she's no longer doing relationship again. Okay, no problem. Everywhere good. Does it mean that you stop dating? No. You lost this money, $100 on this account. Does it mean you stop trading? No. That is it. Take everything as a trade, and you will find out that if you're disciplined, it will play out in every part of your life. I'm telling you fact. It will play out. It will play out. Now I'm low-key patiently waiting for the market to give me what I want. And then you'll be shocked. I will be like, buy GBP USD. And then we're going to be making money. But it's not your time. So be patient. Patience and emotional not giving a fuck will give you a lot of money. Will give you a lot of money. I'll leave you guys with this quote. Listen, once you're emotionally attached, listen, once you're emotionally attached, you become financially detached. Take it or leave it. Go and write it on top of your wall. Every day you want to trade, look at it. Peck said, once I am emotionally attached, I will be financially detached. Once you're emotionally attached, I want to make money, I want to make money, I want to make money. That's how your money will be going. Water, 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 until you're done for the day. Now, let's look at it. Let's look at it. All the fake ones, all the people that are waiting for analysis every single time, you can go. It's not a problem. It's not every time analysis. I need to speak to your inner well-being. You need to understand some few things before you dive on the chart. The chart will come and it will come and stay, I mean, but your account will come and go. Your account will come and go. And if you blow your account, I'll tell you again. Link in description, 40% discount ongoing. Buy a good funded account. You not get what you want to do. You will buy it because your account is gone. You buy it. That's it. That's the real truth right there. You will buy the account, bro. Or you fund your own account and you'll be looking at me. I'll be making $1,000. You're making $20 because you don't used to hear what? You don't used to hear what? That's the truth. You don't used to hear what? Now let's talk. Let's talk charts. Let's talk chart. Apparently, you can't be in debt and trade comfortably. It's gonna be a problem. It's gonna be a problem, literally. I'm gonna lie. It's gonna be a problem. Big problem. It's either the truth. I'm giving you the raw truth. Like literally, it's gonna be a problem. It takes a strong mind. Like for instance, let's say I'm in a debt of a big money and I want to use trading to come out. It's gonna be difficult. Extreme discipline is all I need, and forget about the debt. The money I'm owing is here. I just have to be patient enough to try and come out of it. So you just have to be patient at the end of the day. What do you do now? The sincere, brutal truth. Pay the debt first. Pay the debt first because trust me, trust me, trust me. I'm being sincere. I'm being sincere. You're going to lose more trying to trade the money than you're going to make to pay the money. You're going to lose more trying to trade to pay the debt than if you use the money to start paying the debt. I understand the debt might be very big, but I know there is no money to pay it except trading. That's always the mentality. That's always the mentality. But the real truth here is if there was no trading, how would you have paid the debt? How would you have paid the debt? Think about it. Think about it. If there was no trading, how would you have paid the debt? Try pay the debt through that means. Don't come through trading. Then when you've paid the debt, you want to make money, come back to trading. Your mind is clear. It's more of psychology than physical. Unless you're very strong technically. Because the moment you're psychologically driven, like emotionally driven, I mean, you start to see things in the chart that is not there. Or because you have a mindset of, I want to make money today. I don't know if you guys have been in this kind of situation before. Like, you have to make money. I have to make money. I must make money. You start to do emotional things that you know that you wouldn't have done before. You start to do emotional things. It happens. So, Joseph, from the sincere bottom of my heart, I'm telling you reality. Trading right now, when you know you're not solid enough, you can't use it to really pay debt. Instead, you go in deeper debt. That's the truth. Do you understand? Please. Then when you're done, come back. I'm having difficulty holding trade to TP, but I can hold it to SL. I understand. Holding trades to TP is more difficult than holding trades to SL. This is how I broke through from that mentality. This is how I broke through from that mentality because this is one of the stages you will get to before you start to see profit. But this is how I broke through from it. I'm not trading to make money. I'm trading to see what I feel like I am. You need books in your life. Oh. You need to read. Oh. You need to read. Oh. I want to see what I feel like I am. Dave said it in one song. I think in Survivor Guilt. Dave said it. I don't know if it's Survivor Guilt, but I think I want to feel what I want to see what I feel like I am, which means I want to see what it will feel like seeing this market hit TP. I remember that this was like middle of 2023. I had this issue. I can watch the market hit stops, but I can't watch it hit TP. I'm closing out. And that is because I wanted to see the money. I wanted to make the money. But then when I found out about this, I want to see what I feel like I am. I started to test it. I understand I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm just giving you things that can touch your soul if it is going to really, if you're going to allow it to touch your soul. Once you say these kind of things to yourself, do you know what you're going to do? Start to practice it. Start to practice it. How do you practice it? Fund an account. I have my recommended broker in description. Fund an account. Fund an account. The minimum deposit, $30. Take 3 trades. $10, $10, $10. Like, I'm not giving you guys a lot of info, fam. But then, enjoy it while you can. Take 3 trades. $10 what? $10 what? $10 what? Not 3 positions. 3 trades, not 3 positions. 3 trades, which means take the trade normal, but risk $10 per trade. The first trade, it is just $10, right? $10 is just how much? 14,000 or 15,000. I want to see if I am more than 15,000 or 15,000 is more than me. I want to see. If you see, immediately you've eliminated 15,000 naira out of your mind. Oh, 15K is gone. All right. But you followed your system, right? Cool. If it is a 1 to 3 risk to reward, 15 times 3 is 45. You are going to watch that 45K hit your bank account. For every 45K you make, withdraw the money, put it in your account. Don't try to flip. The next trade, $10. The moment you're hitting TP for that 45K, collect the money, put it in your account. The next trade, you do the same thing. Watch it hit TP. No stop loss, because it is sorry. What I mean by no stop loss is the $10 is the stop loss already. So it depends on how you're doing it. If you're doing it 10, 10, 10, but then do it normal, like $30, then calculate the 10 inside. Do it like that. By the end of that trade, if you lose, no problem. Try again. I want you to win, but then not just win. I want you to win to the fullest. You full winning. You want full. You want full one. This is what I mean by full TP. Full TP. Collect your money. That is how you do it. Gradually, your mind starts to feel comfortable seeing blues and allowing blues run. I know your fear. Oh, the market might be in $300 profit and then it will reverse back. Let me collect this one first. Of course. But on the long run, you are not going to be profitable. Mark my word. Why? Because times will come where if you collect that one, whoop, it keeps going up. And then your next trade, emotionally driven, you will lose that one you've collected and even lose more. You will not be profitable. That's why you see me now. If it is not 1 to 2.5 upward, it's not me you're talking to. And I'll take my 1 to 3 easily over 1 to 2.5, which means I can hold for 1 to 3 more than even 1 to 2.5. Literally. Because I see 1 to 3 more than 1 to 2.5. Your mind gets to be free. The moment your mind gets to be free, you don't give a fuck. You don't care. The moment you look at money and be like, bro, I don't give a damn, bro. Anything that wants to happen, let it happen. You're good to go. One last question I'm going to be answering. This is the last question I'm going to be answering. Then we'll talk about technicals. The market is cooking. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I see one question. How many trades can you hold at a time? That's the question I asked you yesterday. How many trades can you hold at a time? I've told you guys, I trade just once a day. I trade just once a day, like just once a day. That's it. Just once a day, which means one trade, one risk, one hitting. If I lose, look at me. If I lose, I'm done. The level of discipline you need to have when you're trading this market has to be unmatched. It has to be unmatched. Like unmatched. Unmatched. Has to be unmatched. So, how many trades I can hold at a time? One trade from one pair because of my one risk. If I lose that trade, I am done. I have multiple accounts, right? I have multiple accounts. So that rule apply to all of them. One trade per account, one trade per account, one trade per account, like that. Right? So that's it. What if you have two quality setup? You're not ready to make money for you to be asking me this question again. I swear down. You're not ready to be making money because if you're ready to make money, you won't be asking me this question after what I said. Now, let us talk about the chart. What I'm expecting is coming to play. What I'm expecting is coming to play. Now, what am I expecting? You have to calm down in in this kind of situation. You have to really, really, really calm down in this kind of situation. You have to really, really calm down in this kind of situation. There's a reason why I'm saying calm down, and there's a reason why I'm just chilling. I'm coming. Let me check something. Now look at this market. GBP is an uptrend. The uptrend has started, right? Now, because of the uptrend has started, we need to be patient. We've gotten the market to get to our level. What are we looking out for? Two things. This market right here has taken out this high, and now it is retesting back on this high right here, right? Cool. The fact that it is retesting back on this high, it means one thing. And what is that one thing? It retesting back on this high means it is about to create another high, which is to tap here and then bounce back up, right? This is what we're expecting. But then, how do we make money from this one right here? Now, look at this. This market is something I've been anticipating in the sense of I was waiting. I knew for sure that this buy that is happening here might not last. Why? Because there is a minor level. There is a minor level of support right here. There is a minor level of support right here. Sorry, of resistance right here. Now, for the fact that there's a minor level of resistance right here, and there is a liquidity, you need to understand that the market is most likely going to create chart patterns. The market then created what? Lower high, equal high, lower low, lower high here. But this doesn't matter because it is just a minor push. Now we are looking at the major movement. Gotten a double bottom on the major support, which we bought massively from here. And now retesting back on this high, perfectly done. We need a chart pattern. We've gotten the chart pattern right here. Then, bam, we are patiently waiting. We are patiently waiting. Guys, if this one happens, we could literally make a lot of money today. A lot of money today. A lot of money today. I've traded this kind of market before. It's just a matter of time. I've traded this kind of market before. It's just a matter of time. If you're understanding, drop some ones in the chat. If you're understanding, drop some ones in the chat. I've traded this kind of market before, and there's a chance that it's going to what? Buy. But then you need to be very, very careful because this kind of market happened here. This kind of market happened here. We pushed up, we took out this high, and then upon retest, we're supposed to buy, right? But now you can see what happened here. The market broke, started creating chart patterns here. Then when it came down here, it couldn't buy anymore. Instead, it broke, retested for a sell, and it sold. Right? That is why we got in on the sell here because it created a chart pattern. Now, the market has done the same thing here, but it's not really the same thing actually. It's just a minor pullback up and then here. So now there is still a chance that this one can buy, create a new high, and then go up. Or we sell, retest, and then we drop back down to continue the sell to the downside. One of them must surely happen. Our prayer should be we don't get a reason to buy and the market will sell. So We pray we don't get a reason to buy and then the market is going to sell. That's just it. That's what the prayer point is like. Nevertheless, let's just wait. It is a matter of patience because I've seen trades like this. I've seen trade like this become one of the best buys possible. This one right here, I saw that the market was going to buy. I called it out. We bought. This was my TP, but see where it got to. Now here, I'm seeing that the market could buy. I'm expecting the market to hit this 0% and then go up, retest, and then buy up. If you're going to keep buying, it's not a problem. So just put your eyes down and wait for the PEX entries. And once we get those entries, we might call today a brilliant day. But then be rest assured that today might not give us the entire TP. Today might not give us the entire TP. When I mean entire TP, I mean entry around this region, stops above below here. I mean set TP. TP1 can fall in here, TP2 here. Oh yeah, just 1 to 3 weeks to reward. If we can get a good 1 to 3 weeks to reward with this kind of stop loss, come on, don't be greedy. If you risk $100, you're making 300. It's a good one, isn't it? But the overall TP for this guy is here 1 to 5. But like I said, don't be greedy. If you can get a good entry from this region, we are good to go. We just have to not see a reason why we should buy, whereas the market is going to sell. The double bottom is getting good. Remember, these are all liquidity grabs. It came down, push up, came down, push up. Okay. Came down, push up. Now down, push up. We're here now. Can we do the final move? 15 minutes time frame is clearer. Can we do the final move? Those of you that usually trade SMC, ICT, all those English language strategy, how is it? What did they call it? So I'm like gonna be setting a chart pattern right here, and then calling it internal. So that is it. We've set our trap. We are waiting. By God's grace, we cook and not get cooked. Another world burn. Another world burn. Drop some fires on the chart if you got your account with GoFunded Trader and you're ready to make good money today. Drop some fires on the chart. Drop the fire on the chart. Another world burn. Another world burn. If you've not gotten your account with GoFunded Trader, then I don't know what you're doing. I literally do not know what you're doing at all. I literally do not know what you're doing. Join the leading prop firm right now and trade like the greatest. Join the leading prop firm and trade like the greatest. Get your account with GoFunded Trader right now. Link in description. Buy an account, 40% discount. Let's do it. 40% discount. Let's do it. Get your account right now with Let's Day. I let the world burn. I let the world burn. If I can have you, no, I can. Link in description. We're looking good to buying GBP USD. We're looking good to buying GBP USD. Link in description. Get your account. Go from the trader. Let's do it. 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 I let the world burn for you. Even I be riding, but if you know I can. I look everything I know what is eyes in the chat. We're looking to buy GBP USD. Let me set out the stops and then the TP. Let the wind burn for you. Is it what it on? What if I have you now? I can see everything. No shaman. We're looking to buy GBP USD as we speak. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if we're going to get some bread today. 1 to 3 weeks to reward, not looking bad. Just get your bread and move. That is all that matters. What is it? Because I just let's go, let's go, let's go. Buying GBP USD as we speak. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Set your stops, set your take profit, just as you've seen on the screen right there. If you're entering right now, it is a good idea according to your own plan. This is not a financial advice. Note, note, note. This is according to my system, and this is what I'm doing. As you see me right here, I've executed my trade and I am patiently waiting. It is a matter of time, and we see how it plays out. Today is Friday. We're not here to be greedy. We just want to take the bread that we can take and move. All right. We're not here to be greedy. We just want to take the bread that we can take and move. We just want to take the bread we can take and move. Right? We just want to take the bread we can take and move. Let's go. This is basically, I'm expecting this market to like get here. That's what I'm expecting. Literally, ain't gonna lie. I'm expecting it to get there. But let's be patient. If we get 1 to 3 from here, not a problem. We get another 1 to 3 again. Patience is key. Hello. How much will it take for me to get a GFT funded account using your code? Depends. Depend on what you want. Depend on what you want. Uh if you're using 100K account, you're gonna be paying only $500, which is a massive discount. Previously it was $800. All right. It was $800. So it's a matter of uh if you use $500, it's not a problem. Just use this coupon code BOGO40. The link is in description. Click there and use BOGO40. You're good to go. You're good to go. You're good to go. So put your mind down. That is all that matters. All of the world for you. Mm. What if I have you know can? Okay, everything you need, I've sent it out. It is just a matter of time. Let's see how it goes. We're past more than 1 hour right here, and of course, got a lot of things to do. If you've bought GBP USD, good enough. Set your stop loss just the way that I've said, and you should be good. I'll keep you guys posted on the Telegram community. I have my trade rolling as well. All right, it's just a matter of patience. This is what I'm looking like right now. This is what I'm looking like right now. I'm just on the entry. Take profit, stop loss has been set. Put your mind down. I'll keep you guys posted on Telegram. Link in description to join the Telegram community and get your account with GoFunded Trader. Peace out, guys. Buy GBP USD. Let's cook.